Hi, this is FAQio, an AI-powered FAQ builder for Shopify. FAQio generates clean, relevant FAQs for your product collection pages or your entire store in seconds, then displays them anywhere in your theme with no coding required. Let me walk you through how it's works. This is our admin dashboard. Here you can see total FAQs, group FAQs, product FAQs, global FAQs. Here is a setup guide. First, install our app from Shopify app server. Then create your first FAQ groups and then select your product and then enable theme blocks or auto inject. FAQI automatically adds schema.org JSON LD markup to every FAQ set, which can unlock FAQ drop-down directly in Google search result. No extra setup needed. From the sidebar, you have access to everything. This is our dashboard, manage FAQs, create FAQs, analytics, plan, and billing, setting, help and support, documentation. Let me start by creating product FAQ from scratch. Now we can create our first FAQ. On navigation, click FAQ create and then select FAQ type, product, collection, page or global. I selected product, click browse, check product and select it. FAQ group title load from product title and product description has already loaded automatically as source content. We can also extra context, shipping times, return policy, brand voice or material. AI should know number of FAQ, tone and click generate. Our 7 FAQ created done. Here is a 7 FAQ. We can also reorder and then save it. After save, we can also manage it. Here is, we can see status, date and edit. We can also delete it. If you want to edit, then click edit. And we also bold it and then save it. To display FAQ on the storefront, go to online store and then click edit theme, select product template, click default product, add section, click apps and select FAQIO and then save it. We can also heading, enable and disable, FAQ source, style, page width, expand by default, multiple open item, placeholder, structure, typography, color and spacing. Go to our product, preview it. FAQ is showing in here. Customer can expand any question for instant answer, reducing support request without any extra effort. FAQ has supported 4 content type: product, collection, page, and global. Collection FAQ cover category level question, sizing, material, brand with policies. Page FAQs work for info pages like return, about, contact. Global FAQs appear store wide, perfect for universal shipping or support question. All 4 use the exact same AI generation workflow. And in manage FAQ, you can filter your full library by type. The analytic page give you full picture of your FAQ coverage, how many groups are active, your distribution across content type and SEO impact. FAQIO show you exactly how many FAQs are eligible for Google reach result and flag any inactive group so nothing is accidentally hidden from your storefront. In setting, you configure your default so you don't have to reconfigure every time you create FAQ group. Set how many FAQ generate, default AI tone. There is a 4 option: professional, friendly, concise, detailed. Display and styling. There is 3 type: style, modern, minimal and classic. SEO structure already enable it. If you want to auto inject, then you should position it after product description, before add to cart button, after add to cart button, bottom of page, and then save it. After save, open theme editor and enable it and save it. So we select bottom of page. So if we go to this page URL, this is first load from app blocks and second showing from auto inject. I like to app block, so disable it and save. Reload and gone with auto inject. That's FAQIO. Generate AI powered FAQ for product, collection, page, and your whole store. Manage them from one dashboard. Customize the display to match your theme and publish with zero coding. Thank you for watching.